The Triumph Phoenix billiard table with conversion top gives you the choice to play 2 games on one full-size table. Challenge your opponents to a classic game of pool or an action-packed game of table tennis on the included conversion top. While other conversion tables often sacrifice playability, this 7-foot table maintains its quality on both tables. The table tennis conversion top comes equipped with EVA pads for the underside of the table tennis table, which protect the top rails of the billiard table. Below the table, leg levelers ensure your table is perfectly flat even when the floor is not. The set includes all accessories required for both games. The billiards accessory set includes 2 to 57 inches billiard cues, a set of 2.25 billiards balls, triangle, brush, and chalk. The table tennis accessory set includes 2 paddles, 2 table tennis balls, and a net post set. Enjoy 2 classic games in one without sacrificing quality with the Triumph Phoenix. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Enjoy 2 games in one, a strategic game of pool or an action-packed table tennis match. Number 2. Match any decor with the black finish table, green color cloth, and steel corner cap accents. Number 3. Table tennis conversion top comes equipped with 2 paddles, 2 balls, and net and post set. Assembly required. Number 4. Table tennis top features undermount padding to protect the billiard cloth and rails below. Number 5. Billiard table includes 2 wood billiard cues, a ball set, triangle, brush, and chalk. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.